But then the pandemic happened. And of course, it made us, it was impossible for us to travel, diba? So parang, ano siya, hindi na siya natuloy, tapos naging busy na rin ulit ako sa maraming bagay. So fast forward to 2024, it was mid-July. When I was thinking about the channel, sabi ko, the channel can be so much more. Hindi lang siya basta travel. Anong pwede kong gawin? Anong pwede kong i-content sa kanya? Ano ba yung message na gusto kong ilabas or ibigay sa mga tao? And then, that's when I realized that I want to be able to have a platform wherein I can spread positivity, be a source of inspiration to people, and bring joy to our audiences. So, nailuwal si the JSM channel. So that was mid-July of 2024. And then, right after I did the Lavender Fields, we started working on the content. We started working on everything about the channel, revamping my former YouTube channel. So, naging na siya, the JSM channel. So, really, it has 3 distinct shows.
I was about to ask, may shows siya.
Yeah, so it has 3 distinct shows that aims to just, uplift, empower, and be a source of inspiration to our viewers. There. Ang dami ko bang sinabi?
Daw, nakikinig lang kami.
Right, it's just going to be me, and then there's, of course, we will delve into different topics, and then we have a subject matter expert na laging nagiging present whenever a topic is discussed.
Okay. For travel and tours, ano ba yan? International ba yan? Parang agency talaga no? International ba to, Jody, or pwedeng local din?
For now, we are really exploring yung mga cities natin locally.
Okay. Oo, kasi minsan may mga, tama ka nga doon undiscovered.
You know what,
diba?
MJ? Because isang realization for me, parang, okay, travel ako ng travel, labas ako ng labas, and yet, yung mga cities na meron tayo dito sa Pilipinas, nami-miss out ko. So with JSM Travel and Tours, ako yung natututo, ako yung nagugulat na, OMG, I thought itong place na to ay ganito lang. Pero pag nandun ka, it has so much to offer. It might seem that, parang this girl is just doing so much, but with Regal, kasi last year pa, natapos na yun. And then the other one that I did was last year pa, parang 2 years ago pa. And parang ngayon lang talaga pinapalabas. So, right after, well, even before Lavender Fields ended, it was already in my plans. Kumbaga, I think I'm just that person na parang, okay, what do I do next? Parang hindi talaga ako pwedeng ma-permit. And, so, mid-July, that was last year. So, doon ko talaga naisip na, okay, maybe I can do something with my YouTube channel. I can revamp it, and I can maybe produce shows and content that I guess the viewers will love. So that's what I did. In terms of the shows, that was actually one of the very first questions that I asked myself. How much am I willing to share? And naman, in terms of sharing, just because you're on YouTube, it doesn't necessarily have to mean that you just open the book and, hey guys, invite them, come on, read. Ito na nangyari sa buong buhay ko. No, it's not going to be like that. What you're going to see is still me. And like what you said, parts of my life, not my whole life. And I think what I would want to share are those that comes with, valuable lessons. Kasi sometimes may mga nangyayari naman na hindi mo talaga necessary kailangan nang i-share. But I think those things that happened to me, those are the things that I would want to impart to the viewers. And if they learn something from it, if they pick up something from it, then that's good. I don't want to say na na it's a platform for me to practice my degree, so that makes all of you a ginigit. Well,
Just to share your expertise, siguro, that's no better.
That is correct. It's really just me wanting to be able to share with all of you or with the viewers, you know, the things that are important to me, the things that are valuable to me or that carries valuable lesson, the things that I experience, and you know, some of my thoughts, diba? I just wanna put it out there, and if somebody kind of relates to that, diba, then they can just comment, and then from there, it can actually be like, you know, a conversation, like what I said a while ago, that there's going to be a Facebook page, like a sort of, you know, support group for, you know, a safe space for people, na parang sige, anong gusto mong pag-usapan, ano yung dinadamdam mo or binibit-bit mo, sige, ilagay mo lang dyan. For now, my focus really is the JSM channel. But meron kasi akong mga projects na napag-committan ko pala since like late last year. And of course, kailangan ko pa rin i-fulfill yung obligations ko with them. So, tatapusin ko lahat ng yun. But for now, it's really the JSM channel.